வாழ்க வளமுடன். Be blessed by the divine. For centuries, both scientists and philosophers have been researching upon three important questions. Why do we age? Why do we fall sick? And why do we die? Kayakalpa Yoga, the Siddha secret system, rediscovered and gifted to us by our Guru Yogiraj Sri Vedatari Maharishi, offers logical insights into the answer for these three important questions. Kayakalpa Yoga also offers logical answers for three more questions. How do we remain youthful? How do we remain healthy? How do we postpone death to suit our wishes? I'm coming to Malaysia to teach Kayakalpa Yoga on the 9th of April 2022 on Saturday at 9 a.m. I will provide the telephone number of the person whom you need to contact to register for this course. This Kayakalpa Yoga workshop will happen in Kluang, Malaysia. This is being organized by the Kluang Temple of Consciousness of our Sky Yoga system. This workshop will run for 3 hours starting at 9 o'clock in the morning. Please come and attend this course and benefit from this course. I look forward to seeing you in Kluang in Malaysia on the 9th of April 2022. Be blessed by the divine.